Found an SX file on your computer and have no idea which program created it? The SX extension is used by several different applications, making identification the first challenge. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you figure out what your SX file is and how to open it. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium SX file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. The .sx extension does not have a single dominant software association and is used by several unrelated applications. Users typically encounter this file without knowing its origin, as it could be a network capture, a project file, or other specialized data requiring context to identify the correct program to open it. The internal structure of an .sx file is entirely dependent on the creating application and lacks a universal standard. It could be a proprietary binary format for a network sniffer, an XML-based project file, or a custom data structure. This ambiguity makes it impossible to determine its contents without contextual information. For comprehensive file management, SX relies on unknown developed by unknown. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows provides little insight, so proper access depends on finding software that still recognizes the structure. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your SX file and choose Open With. Use Unknown if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your SX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, identifying file origin. Examine where the SX file came from, including the source application download location or accompanying files. Check file properties for any application associations. Use a file identification tool such as TRID or Droid to analyze the file's binary signature and suggest possible originating applications based on internal structure. Next, opening in text editor. Right-click the SX file and open with Notepad or another text editor. If the content displays as readable text, it may be a Scala source file or configuration file, editable as plain text. Binary content displaying as garbled characters indicates a proprietary format requiring the originating application. Finally, trying likely applications. Based on file origin clues, try opening the SX file with candidate applications. For Scala source files, use IntelliJ IDEA or Visual Studio Code with Scala plugins. For potential StarOffice documents, try LibreOffice. Game-related SX files require their specific game or modding tools for proper access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.